Hi, hello competitors. Welcome to our channel, Your Bankers Mantra. I hope all you are good at preparing for SBIClerk2022 and who are not started yet, start your preparation from today onwards. And I am providing my daily to-do list videos. And these daily to-do list videos are very helpful for all our upcoming exams. So join with me and make your timetable. So let's start our tomorrow's to-do list. And in every Sunday, I planned a weekly revision. And this revision is like re-attempt wrong and skipped questions from last week attempted mocks and also from quizzes, and also revise basic notes of your weak areas where you are lacking, and make your timetable according to your weak areas. So that is weekly revision. And as usual, before 9 a.m. revise all the basics of each subject like tables, squares, formulas, and some brief notes of your weak areas, and also revise last week attempted English quizzes from Adda 247 website. So revise all that before 9 a.m. After that, give 2 hours for English section. For English section, read and learn and or revise all vocabulary words, English rules, idioms, phrasal verbs from all editorial videos and mock test and also from quizzes. So revise all that once for 2 hours for English section. And after that, give 2 hours for revising all prelims mock test attempted in last week, and note down all your weak areas where you are lacking, and prepare some brief notes for your weak areas, and also make your timetable according to your weak areas, and that is for tomorrow's prelims revision. And after that, in afternoon, who are preparing for mains, they all revise mains quizzes, PDFs, and also mains mock test. Revise all that once and note down your weak areas where you are lacking, and also make your timetable according to your weak areas. And also your preparation should be like based on your weak areas. So that is for mains preparation in afternoon for tomorrow. And in evening, give your time for reading current affairs. And tomorrow, give 1 hour for reading daily current affairs from the sources of Affairs Cloud or Study IQ or Adda 247. And if anyone have doubts about this weekly revision or last week to-do list topics or quizzes or PDFs, you can ask in my Telegram group, Your Bankers Mantra, and I will provide that link in description. And join my Telegram group for more daily updates and latest updates. After that, before going to sleep, revise last week current affairs, that is May 1st to 7th current affairs from the sources of Affairs Cloud or Study IQ or Adda 247, and choose either one of those. So that is for tomorrow's to-do list. And be consistent and confident on your preparation, and keep fighting with your preparation. Thanks for being with me. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for more daily updates and latest updates.